Welcome back everyone. We are going to continue with my nail art collection part 2 video, and we'll start by showing off some of my personal belongings. Here are some disposable nail sponge buffers I have here. My Unforgettable Moments purple shoe box where I carry 61 of Bellin gel polishes that I personally labeled with my name underneath each bottle. All these were ordered from AliExpress. My Extra Vogue electric nail driller I keep around as an extra set just in case. Going to open this up and see its electric cord. Now, I'm not sure if this UV LED lamp's name is pronounced Abody or Abody, but what I can sure say is that it works pretty well and it's easy whenever I do my gel manicures, and it automatically has its 48 watts power curing lamp turn on when it senses your hand inside the machine. So that's a pretty cool extra feature. Now let's pull out this Amazon Prime box and see what we have inside. Here are some 220 by 280 OPI nail buffers that I have right here. Yep. And some extra nail buffers that I had ordered online on Amazon. Let's see. And another random nail buffer from Sassy Chic. I think I got that from the 99-cent store. Now I take out this transparent plastic box and see what we have here as well. Okay, we got some nail wipes. Some other nail wipes by Sally Hansen that contain alcohol inside whenever I do my gel manicures, and some other extra buffers, some French tip nail stickers to perfect my white lines, some nail stripers, some extra nail stripers that I still haven't used from 3 to 5 years ago. Close that. Now we're gonna take out my 36 watts UV lamp by ASP. This is my very first gel lamp that I had practice with when I first went into beauty school. Works really well. And I have some other random stuff in here that I stopped using. Oh, now this one's my other little UV LED lamp that I had shown in the previous video. It's called the Fuse Startup Kit by the brand Sensational, and it works pretty good. In this big box we have some, let's see, some nail art brushes, some very colorful nail art brushes, and right here we have some pedicure toe separators and some plastic nail tips. And in this white bag we have some 80 by 80 grit nail files. These are pretty rough actually, but they get the job done. And in this box right here I have all my rubber stampers for whenever I play with my stamping plates. As you can see, there are a ton of them, pretty small, big sizes. Oh my god, those orange ones were a pain. I have some plastic cards right here, so whenever I scrape for some designs I'm able to pick up those designs and just stamp it right onto my nails. And I have some more random plastic cards here, and I got a lot of donations from these. Wow, that's a huge plate right here. I don't even remember where I got that one, but it's pretty big. Let's see. And yes, I do keep my Born Pretty covers for whenever I receive my plates. Let's see. Got this purple covering here. Some more plates. And you have to be careful where you keep them too. You might want to put some bubble wrap in between them, because if you're not careful, you can actually cut yourself. That's why I have all these cardboard covers saved up here as well. Let's see. We got some plates by Queen. These designs are very nice actually. Gotta get back to using these ones. These ones are very sharp, by the way. Kind of scared of them. And these are some, oh, these are the plate booklets that I had ordered from Amazon. Let's see. And if you ask me how many plates I have, I cannot give you that answer. That would be something probably for another video in time. Let's see. I got this pink one. I might even order another Queen plate booklet in the future. It's probably going to be the white one. Let's see. See, and the ones that you don't see here, which left an empty slot in between, are the ones that I'm currently working on. Now here are my vast collection of random acrylic glitters. Let's see, these ones I got from Walmart, come with the funnel. These two I got from Walmart. Some neon glitters. Some other random ones. These ones were from online. I don't remember where. Ah, my Martha Stewart glitters. These babies are actually pretty fine and cute. I really enjoyed using these in between my acrylics. Here are my other finer glitters. These are from Walmart. I think I got these at a clearance sale in their arts and crafts section somewhere. And these are my makeup sponges that I save up from time to time whenever I want to do my random blended looks, let's say ombre or rainbow colors on my nail art. Here are my nitrile exam gloves for sanitary reasons and purposes. Up here is a 3-piece mirror wall clock with extra small mirror hearts I want from eBay's online auction. The time isn't correct, but the clock is just used as a decoration. Now down here are my nail art fans that I made myself by using plastic and wooden popsicle sticks. This set was one of my very first tries on plastic sticks when practicing with gel polish, and decided to keep it as a reminder. This set I think was for last year's Halloween. It was more of like a green and gold and brown spider theme. This one I think was from 3 or 5 years ago, I'm not sure. But these ones were just different various colors. And oh, that's my little Jesus keychain from my mom. Now these ones are pink and white roses. I think these were meant for like a Valentine's Day thing. And these red ones were from a China glaze contest that I never won, but was very happy to enter. And these were my first tries from the Mirror Chrome powders when they first came out. I had used the ones from the Born Pretty brand and they came out pretty good. And these were all memories from past experiences. Now let's go to my secret tower where I keep all my other nail arts. Okay, this I don't know why it's in there. Okay, these are my other nail cutters, trimmers. Let's see, some other labels. My Sally Hansen nail strips that I never got to use. Should probably donate them or just use them for other future videos. These are all my electric devices, my electric nail drillers. This one's by me a secret, my favorite. And my tripods for video making. What else? my chargers, and some other miscellaneous items. Okay, now off to the other level. Oh, these are my molds, so whenever I make my jewelry and place on my online Etsy store. These are my other, I guess you could call these containers, I'm not sure. Oh no, actually those are for pencils, but I'm going to use those for my nail art brushes. These are finger stands, let's see, for my magnet polishes. What else? Let's look in here. Have some plastic syringes, no needles, some soft fluffy brushes, nail art brushes, my old gym membership card in there somewhere. Hope you didn't see that. My other manicure tools I placed in here. Oh, these are mine. These are my personal manicuring tools. Let's see, I have some other ones over there for my clients. Gotta separate those. And here are my other palettes, glass dapping dishes, so whenever I work with my acrylics. And here are my babies, which I call my nail art brushes. Well, acrylic nail art brushes. Yep, and I keep them all in here, nice and safe and organized. Well, I hope it's organized. And these are some other brushes I use for cleanup. Now here is my desk, and this is my flexible camera tripod. Let's see, let's look over here. My other stuff, my Born Pretty rubber stamper, I highly recommend that one. My other nail art rhinestones that I keep here at hand. I keep them close by just in case, so that way I don't have to walk all the way across the room. Let's see. I have my French tip brushes, my heavy duty manicuring scissors. I think they're for manicuring, I'm not sure. My other random rhinestones that have fallen from other times that I misplaced them and were a pain to pick up. My other two tripods, I have a white and black one just in case for a closer view, and the black one is for a more further view. Let's see. I have this glass container here to place my acetone. Let's see, nail filers, my nail art brush. Oh, this is very good. This is for a better cleanup of the nail polish. My nail art glue, my rubbing alcohol that I labeled myself. Let's see, my other nail art glues, some more rubbing alcohol, cotton balls, my other glass dapping dishes. Always keep these closed. Now this is my acrylic fan vacuum. I think that's what it's called, which is already integrated inside this black desk here. See, just clean it up and then put it back there. My OPI nail buffer and my lint roller to get all those nasty pesky dusts out of the way. Let's see, my nail plate and my other random nail polishes that were also featured in the previous video, as you see here. I think that's about it. Thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!